Section 1. Blueprints of Creation Engineering Drawings Explained. Engineering drawings are like recipes for buildings, machines, and everything we build. They provide a detailed guide that ensures precision and accuracy in every project. Imagine trying to bake a cake without a recipe chaos, right? You'd end up with a mess and no cake to show for it. That's what it's like to build without these detailed technical drawings. Without them, construction projects would be disorganized and inefficient. They use lines, symbols, and numbers to tell engineers exactly what to build and how to build it. These elements are crucial for conveying complex information clearly. Every detail matters, from the size of a screw to the strength of a beam. Even the smallest mistake can lead to significant issues. These drawings are the universal language of engineers. They allow professionals from different backgrounds to collaborate effectively. They ensure everyone involved in a project is on the same page, preventing costly mistakes and misunderstandings. This coordination is essential for the success of any engineering project. Without clear, accurate drawings, projects would be delayed, over budget, and potentially dangerous. The risks are too high to ignore the importance of these documents. In essence, engineering drawings are the foundation upon which our modern world is built. They are indispensable tools that turn ideas into reality. Section 2. AI steps in, automating the complex world of drawings. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing how we work and live, revolutionizing industries across the board. It's like having a super smart assistant that can learn, adapt, and solve problems with incredible efficiency. In the field of engineering, AI is making significant waves by automating complex tasks that once took hours or even days to complete. And one of its most exciting applications is in understanding and interpreting intricate engineering drawings. Traditionally, reading and interpreting these drawings was a time-consuming process, requiring skilled engineers to meticulously analyze every detail, often leading to delays. But now, AI is stepping in to lend a helping hand, or rather, a helping algorithm, transforming the way we approach these tasks. AI-powered software can now scan, understand, and even convert these complex drawings into three-dimensional models with remarkable accuracy, making the entire design process faster, more efficient, and significantly reducing the margin for error. Section 3. Deciphering the lines. How AI reads engineering drawings.